welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the NYX 12 Days of Lipstick Advent Calendar. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. This Advent Calendar retails for $40 on NYX.com. I do want to read a little bit about this Advent Calendar on NYX's website. Let's say this is not a drill. This holiday snatch up our 12-day lip exclusive calendar for the ultimate lip collection. Gotta have them all. There's no such thing as too many lip products, whether you're a gloss getter, married to matte, or satin obsessed. There's something for everyone. Collect the best, don't settle for less. And it does say the shades included, but I want to be surprised. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says NYX Diamonds and Ice, please. Super cute packaging. I love it. When you flip it over on the back, you do have the shades that are included in this set. If you wanted to take a sneak peek to see what was included, there are different formulas, which I really do like. There's a lip oil, there's cream lipstick, there's a matte lip cream, there's a cream lip gloss, and a matte lipstick. Let's go ahead and open this. Here's what the little advent calendar looks like. Let's go ahead and open day number 1. Ooh, it's a butter gloss. Aw, it's so adorable. Here's a closer look on what the gloss looks like. This is in the shade Angel Food Cake. I do want to compare it to a full-size liquid lip, if you guys were just curious. This is in the shade Angel Food Cake. You do have the shade name on the back here. So let's open up this gloss. I love the little doe foot applicator. Adorable. Here's what Angel Food Cake looks like. Here's a better swatch of the shade in Angel Food Cake. This does have a sweet scent to it. It smells very good. You guys know I'm not really a gloss person, but I really do like how comfortable this does feel on my lips. It's not sticky or goopy at all. Let's open up day number 2. Ooh. Here we have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I love this formula. I remember back in the day I used to have one shade. I don't remember what the shade was, but I used all of it up. This shade is called São Paulo. This is so bright. This is a nice pinky berry shade. Let's see what's inside day number 3. Ooh, we get a lip oil. Are these all sample size? Here's a closer look on what the lip oil looks like. The shade is called Sheer. I hope we get a full-size product in this, because this was $40. This is definitely sheer. This does smell a little bit like watermelon. So far we've gotten 3 deluxe size lip products. Hopefully the next one we do get a full size product. The set was $40 and you're getting little samples. I don't think it's worth it. I'm currently on their website. It doesn't mention anything about full size products or deluxe size products. Hopefully we do get a full size product. So let's move on to day number 4. Is this a full size product? This looks like a deluxe size. This is in the shade Natural. Here's the shade name on the bottom. I've never tried their matte lipsticks. Definitely a deluxe size. It's very pigmented. This shade in Natural is a little bit pinkier than I would like, but I really do like the formula. It does feel very matte on the lips. It does sit very comfortably. Let's do a kiss test on the back of my hand to see if we get any transfer. There is a little bit of transfer, and some of the lipstick did transfer off from my top upper lip. So far I'm not impressed with the lipstick advent calendar, but let's see what's behind day number 5. Another deluxe size product. This is the NYX Liquid Suede. The shade name is called Kitten Heels. I've never tried this formula. Here's what the doe foot looks like. Ooh, super pigmented. Wow, that's definitely one swipe pigment. I love how pigmented this shade is. I normally don't reach for red shades. This shade is gorgeous. Moving on to day number 6. Another mini. I was expecting a full-size lip, but let's see what this looks like. Here we have another butter gloss. This is in the shade Praline. That's a really pretty shade. I like the shade in Praline. It does have a little bit of color to it. Let's see what's inside day number 7. Another deluxe size lip product. Here we have another liquid suede product. This is in the shade Tea and Cookies. I'm upset with myself that I spent $40 on deluxe size products, but let's see what the shade in Tea and Cookies looks like. I definitely think this shade in Tea and Cookies is going to wash me out, but let's go ahead and try it on. Yeah, definitely a no. This shade in Tea and Cookies is definitely a no. It's too bright for me. Let's open up day number 8. Ooh. Another deluxe size lip product. Are we ever gonna get a full size in this advent calendar? Here we have another lip oil. This shade is called Sheer Lavender. I like how the shade name does say sheer on it. That way you're not expecting too much pigment. This one does also smell like watermelon. I really do like their lip oils. Moving on to day number 9. Another deluxe size product. NYX, what is going on? Here's another butter gloss. This is in the shade Tiramisu. I'm actually surprised that I really do like this shade in Tiramisu. Let's open up day number 10. Another deluxe size product. We have another matte lipstick. This shade is called Whipped Caviar. It looks like a pretty shade. It does look very pretty. I really do like this shade in Whipped Caviar. It complements my skin tone. Let's see what's inside day number 11. We have another soft matte lip cream. This shade is in the shade Rome. The shade in Rome is pretty, but it's not super pigmented. Let's see what the last lip product we get in day number 12. Another matte lipstick. This shade is called Perfect Red. It's a beautiful blue tone red. Here we have all 12 shades swatched on the back of my hand. NYX, why wasn't there at least one full-size product in this lip advent calendar? They were all deluxe size. I don't think that this advent calendar is worth $40 if you're getting all deluxe size sample products. I do like that you get to test different formulas like the lip oils, the matte lipstick, the butter glosses, the soft matte liquid cream. I like that you have a different variety of formulas, but I just wish that there would have been at least a full-size product in this collection. I mean, it was $40. I probably could have spent $40 on a full face of NYX products and they all would have been full-size products. So this collection was a flop in my opinion. I do really like some of the shades. I was super intrigued by the lip oils. They did feel very hydrating and moisturizing on my lips. I also did really like the butter glosses. The shades were in Praline and Tiramisu. They were really nice glosses. They felt very comfortable on my lips. They weren't sticky or goopy at all. The last lip product that I really did like in this collection is their matte lipstick. This is in the shade Whipped Caviar. I can definitely see myself reaching for this shade on a daily. The other lip products I don't really see myself reaching for, especially the red shade. I don't normally wear red shades, so this red shade I would never wear in kitten heels. The red shade I currently have applied on my lips in the shade Perfect Red. I would never reach for this shade. The other matte lipstick in the shade Natural, which was a little bit too light on my skin tone. These other three shades, especially the one in Tea and Cookies, it did not suit my skin tone. Two shades in St. Paulo and Rome. I just don't see myself reaching for these two shades and they weren't as pigmented. The packaging was very cute. I did like the little days. It was cute, but it's just not worth $40. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.